Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can complete your first bank reconciliation in Sage Intacct. So let's get started. If you're setting up Sage Intacct for the first time and need to reconcile an account, there are a few things that should already be in place. Make sure you have cash management permissions, a linked general ledger account, and the necessary match and creation rules configured. You'll also need to decide whether you'll import bank statements manually or connect through bank feeds and enter any initial open items for the account. To begin, go to Cash Management and select Reconcile Bank. Choose the bank account you want to reconcile, then enter the statement date and ending balance. If needed, you can also attach supporting documents to the reconciliation. If the account has initial open items, add the required details such as the transaction date, document number, transaction type, amount, payee, and description. Save the entries and continue to the reconciliation screen. Review the balances and unmatched transactions. Clear the transactions that match your bank statement until the difference is zero and the amount to reconcile is fully balanced. Once everything is correct, click Reconcile to complete the process. After the reconciliation is successful, go to Cash Management and open View Reconciliation Histories. From there, you can access the reconciliation report and export it in formats such as PDF, Excel, or CSV for your records. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.